Okay, now where to go? Let's go to this place. This place is fun. Oh god, damn, that music. Even the music for this one's nice. I could go backwards on it. I think this is backwards. Not sure. Not sure anymore. I'm just gonna go this way. Oh, yes. Good Ratchet. Good old Ratchet. None of that fucking magnet bullshit. None of that fucking Clank bullshit. Just good old Ratchet. Up. Ratchet has a very special set of skills. One, it's fucking badass. Boom. One shot, one kill. Oh god, I was standing on that guy's head. Okay. Well, that went well. Now where's there they are. The no sense grappling hook just randomly appears. It's like, hey, what's up? I'm like, oh. Hi? Hey. Fuck off. Oh god. Okay. Anything interesting over here at all? Probably not. I question what would be inside these buildings. Like I'm sure they had a concept behind everything, but really though, what, like, the random buildings, what was your idea to, like, put things in them? Like, I'm sorry that I must question your greatness of making Ratchet and Clank games, but really, it's an honest question I have. It's like, come on. What the fuck are in these random ass buildings that make zero sense, like even size wise or anything like that? Just no sense at all. I just want to know what's in them. Fire? How do I fire? Oh. Oh. That's awkward. My way and make magic grappling hooks happen again. There they are. God, I love those magic grappling hooks. Or grapple locations, I guess. It's warning me about money. It's like, hey, there's money around, man. You want to collect some money? Oh yeah, get that money. Okay, this isn't... Oh my god. That is in no way worth it. Like... Oh yay, I got like 4 bolts. Awesome. What the fuck happened here? Hey, bolts. Actual boxes of bolts that will give me money. Of course, literally everything gives you like 3 or 4 bolts. It doesn't change no matter how expensive the product they're gonna make you buy is. It's just like, here you go. You get like the... That was depressing. Maybe I need more height. There you go. That might work. Oh, there. Okay, perfect. Let's be fair. The lady told me for large gaps, use the freaking distance one. Distance one's bullshit. Doesn't fucking work. Lies to you. After this one, I'm gonna have to take a pause so I can go do shit for my mother. This planet. So that should be fun. Yay! Hey, gold bolt. I forgot that this was all for a gold bolt. Like, completely forgot. I was like, oh yeah. That's the point of this. Oh god. Oh. Oh. Huh. Well. That just happened. Oh well. I got a skill point for that, so I'm good. I'm done. I'm done here. I'm gonna go this way. Oh god. Oh fuck. I suck. I'm an idiot. I don't care. Ow. Ow. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck off. God damn it. I freaking suck. Fuck you guys. I'm stronger than you. See this? Haha. Now time to do a strat that I'm really bad at. Stay there. Okay. Perfect. I took a lot less pain than I expected I would have. Fuck you. Get Shrek'd, son. Come here. Yeah, no, come here, man. Come on. You know you want me. No, oh, come on. Why are you so nervous? Just come here. Come on. Okay, fuck you. Okay, this is the one I don't like to do. That went surprisingly well. You just need to activate them from a really large distance. Activate them too soon, they're like, oh, fuck you, man. Like that guy. He was so far away, he's like, oh god, no, I activated too soon. I need to explode. So money! Hey. So many hundreds of bolts. It's really easy to avoid them once you know how the hell they work. Like, I remember even going back like 6 months ago and not being able to do this stuff. I also need to stop falling into lava. Lava's not good. Lava's bad. I only have 2 health left. That's the other thing I kinda dislike about this game is the lack of health. Because there's so many things that can do so much damage to you in such a short period of time. Like, yeah, like, the patterns are easy, like, once you get to know them. But overall, you won't know the patterns, like, anything like that. Like, nothing when it comes down to that stuff will you know. And they just Shrek ya. Okay. Ow. Oh, God. Oh. Okay. Oh, God. That was not fun. Oh, God. No. 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 Fuck. Oh, I am a cocky bastard. Oh, God. I have to redo. Are you fucking with me? You're fucking with me. You're not fucking with me. Fuck you guys. I don't want to do this shit anymore. I hate this fucking levels checkpoint system. That went well-ish, I guess. I'm using way too much ammo though. I just don't want to waste so much time doing this crap for a second time. Come here, come here. There you go. Assholes. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. Don't like this, man. This isn't cool. This isn't fun. This hurts. Stop. Fuck you guys. Fuck you guys. Die. I hope you're all dead by the time I get up there. They won't be. I'm gonna cry a lot. Okay, guys. I'm gonna just fucking fall in the lava, knowing me. I'm gonna fall in the lava, lose my last life, and just like cry a lot. Okay. Stop fucking jumping. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God.
Hi there, Fuzzball.
Hey, man. Oh, God. No, no, no. Fuck. I got stuck. Okay. Oh, God. Nope. 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 Okay. I... Fuck! Fuck you guys. Fuck you exploding fucks. Come at me, come at me, come at me, come at me. There you go. No, no. Fuck off. This place is a living fucking hell. Okay. There you go. Now, up to the spot that fucking kills me. Boop. Fucking boop. Boop. Fuck you. Fuck you. Come at me. 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 Oh fuck! Oh god! Oh! Fuck you! Okay, well... At least they should all be... At least they should all be dead. Yeah, Okay. Oh god, the lag. Like, I get it, my PS3's old, but like, oh god, the lag. There you go. Okay, now to deal with all of this. I can't hit you. Oh, you guys are fucked. I want to not attack them. Give me a second. Oh, fuck you and your dodges. Assholes. Did I destroy all the TVs? Good, perfect. Well, that was close. And I'm so happy that this living fucking hell is done. Oh, no, never mind. Never mind, I forgot about them. But at least with this guy, I can fucking run in, fucking blast you one, Run away, run away, run the fuck away. Leave this area. Oh, where the fuck do you... Fuck you guys. Not cool, man. Not cool. Fucking fuck you guys. Fuck all of you guys. All deserve to go to hell.
cool.
You have acquired a pilot planet, manufactured by the Blarg. It will allow you to fly just...
I stopped caring. I couldn't even hear her there for some reason. For some weird reason, I didn't hear your annoying fucking voice. Okay, guys, can we... Fuck you. Nope, there you go. There you go. Okay, so where to next? First, money. I'd like to point out, I don't remember how to get that gold bolt right. Oh god. Okay. Two. You're dead. Perfect. Don't know how to get that gold bolt up there, and that's a perfect way to end this world. Fucking killing myself because this fucking hellish fucking bullshit. Okay, so where to next? Perfect. Let's go here. Let's see what this place is all about. Damn, look at those loading screens. Mind you, they did great because it loads an entire world in between 4 loading screens. It's not that bad. Okay, well, we're here. Let's see what's gonna happen.